Hi team, it's Brian with the Celebrity Personal Assistant Network. So today this video is about my book, Dream Careers, the tutorial for finding elite personal assistant jobs. Right below this video is a link to be able to get this book. It will take you to my website. Just quickly, I'll tell you, I'm a former celebrity assistant. I've worked for Hollywood A-listers, millionaires, billionaires, American aristocracy, Forbes list families, royalty. I've been in the news more than 50 times. So I wrote a book. It's available for free on my website, and it's a very personal, candid look at my life and my journey from going from personal assistant to becoming a headhunter for celebrities and billionaires. You can read the book online, also for free. You can click these links. There's an audiobook version, or you could sign up for the newsletter and get the PDF, and that has bonus features in the PDF. So I look forward to seeing you on the website. Again, the Celebrity Personal Assistant Network, which is located online at findcelebrityjobs.com, and you can go directly below this video and click the link and download the book. Have a great day.